How good is your Spanish? This test of 50 basic verbs looks easy, but most people can't get even 25 correct. Think you can do better? Are you ready for the challenge? Let's begin. How do you say to eat?
Comer.
How do you say to drink?
Beber.
How do you say to sleep?
Dormir.
How do you say to run?
Correr.
How do you say to walk?
Caminar.
How do you say to speak?
Hablar.
How do you say to read?
Leer.
How do you say to listen?
Escuchar.
How do you say to see?
Ver.
How do you say to look?
Mirar.
How do you say to write?
Escribir.
How do you say to buy?
Comprar.
How do you say to sell?
Vender.
How do you say to open?
Abrir.
How do you say to close?
Cerrar.
How do you say to start?
Empezar.
How do you say to finish?
Terminar.
How do you say to give?
Dar.
How do you say to take?
Tomar.
How do you say to bring?
Traer.
How do you say to go?
Ir.
How do you say to come?
Venir.
How do you say to teach?
Enseñar.
How do you say to arrive?
Llegar.
How do you say to leave?
Salir.
How do you say to return?
volver,
How do you say to work?
trabajar,
How do you say to think?
pensar,
How do you say to know?
saber,
How do you say to learn?
aprender,
How do you say to study?
estudiar,
How do you say to play?
jugar,
How do you say to help?
ayudar,
How do you say to need?
necesitar,
How do you say to love?
amar,
How do you say to like?
gustar,
How do you say to live?
vivir,
How do you say to stay?
quedar,
How do you say to wait?
esperar,
How do you say to sit?
sentarse,
How do you say to stand?
pararse,
How do you say to call?
llamar,
How do you say to ask?
preguntar,
How do you say to answer?
responder,
How do you say to pay?
pagar,
How do you say to use?
usar,
How do you say to make?
hacer,
How do you say to find?
encontrar,
How do you say to improve?
mejorar,
How do you say to compare?
comparar.
Thanks for watching the video. Remember to subscribe and keep learning with us. Comment if you were able to complete them all. See you in the next video.